Hey guys, welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews as well as Quirk Auto Dealers. Today we have the 2021 Mazda CX-5 Turbo. Go ahead, check out the window sticker. This is a 2.5 turbo all-wheel drive. Deep crystal blue mica over grayish and black, gray beige. Total price on this one comes to $31,065. So this has the Sky Active 2.5 liter turbo, 227 horsepower, 310 pound-feet of torque. Same motor that's found in your Mazda 3 turbo. It's a nice looking car. Very, very distinctive turbo badge on the back, so it's really easy to spot them on the lot, which makes my job a whole lot easier. Well, the normal 2.5, naturally aspirated, I liked the motor. It wasn't a bad motor. I was asking for a bit more power. So Mazda has a turbocharged, they pretty much turbocharged everything except maybe the CX-3. I don't know if you can get a turbo on that. And the Miata, you can't get a turbo in. All right. Nice digital speedometer. Backup camera. Then you have drive manual mode. No paddle shifters on this one. You have sport mode right there. We will be driving in sport. Sunglasses holder. Oh, not a sliding visor, but got that to block the sun for you. Nice LED lights here, sunroof. Not bad. Mazda's recent efforts have shown that they are trying to become a more upscale brand. So when you look at all the materials in here, compared to the plasticky generations of past, everything is nice soft touch leather. I mean, even if it is fake leather or if it's like a plastic, it's so nice to the touch that I don't really care. Whatever they need to do for cost saving, that's fine with me as long as I can't get in and instantly tell that they took cost saving measures. Transmission's awesome. I do believe it's a 6-speed automatic. Not bad at all. Fits the engine characteristics as well. Manual mode works well. Thing with the 2.5 turbo is almost all the power is down low, although it will keep hauling up in the upper RPMs. It's honestly a perfect motor for around town driving. Now, I don't know if they changed tuning since I last drove a turbo Mazda, but it doesn't feel as in your face as the Mazda 6 Signature I drove. It doesn't feel as instant, all that power at once. Now it feels a bit more, how do I put it? A bit more uniform throughout the rev range. It's slowly applying torque. I don't know, it could just be me losing my mind, and the fact that I just drove a Tesla yesterday or the day before, Tesla Model Y Performance. So it could be that. Please don't run out in front of me, puppy. Don't do it. Over these bumps, though, it's actually one of the better vehicles, especially under $40,000. Very impressed with it there. Huge bump. I get very nervous when I drive Mustangs over that. Okay, there it is. That's a bit better. There's the torque. Actually, I'll just do this. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.